Hello and welcome. Today I will walk you through how to get started with Engine. First, we need to create an account.
Head over to app.engineml.com.
Enter your first name, last name, and username.
Your username will be used to create a custom workspace for personal projects.
On the next screen, we will install Engine on your machine. Copy the commands on this screen and paste them into your terminal. We recommend using a fresh virtual environment with Python 3.6 or above. Let's begin by pip installing the Engine command line interface in Python library. Next, enable autocomplete for the CLI. Steps for Bash and Z Shell are detailed here.
Autocomplete will allow you to tab complete any Engine command on your terminal. Finally, use Engine Login to connect the CLI to your account.
During the login process, you will be prompted to add a public SSH key. Engine uses this key to synchronize your code, logs, and output files.
The Engine Login command expects a CLI key that identifies you. You can revoke this CLI key and your public SSH keys at any time from your account settings page.
After you complete these 3 steps, Engine will be installed. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing what you create.